legacy is rooted in his ability to connect with a wide audience through local and national issues, which made him a beloved and influential figure.
আপনারা দেখছেন এজিটি লাইভ 24/7। आप देख रहे हैं एजीटी लाइव 24/7।
You are watching AGT Live 24/7.
Zubeen Garg in Sri Krishna Mission School has acclimatized the sense of humanity through humming in the annual prize-giving ceremony cum cultural program of Sri Krishna Mission School. Pertaining to the shockwaves of forfeiting Zubeen Garg, the musical soul of the Northeast India and the country as well, has created a monolithic effect in this cultural program too. Shaurajit Devnath, the student of Standard 9, has justified his performance on guitar playing Mayabini, which has been a major cultural force in the Northeast and in the national platform of music, to his versatile music, acting and activism, which include over 38,000 songs in numerous languages, as well as his contributions as a filmmaker and philanthropist. His legacy is rooted in his ability to connect with a wide audience through local and national issues, which made him a beloved and influential figure. Audiences round applause after Shaurajit and team's performance once again has paid a humble and humming tribute to Zubeen Garg here today. like Zubin Garg's Mayabini. So why have you selected this particular song?
Sir, actually, we want to give tribute to our one of the most reputed singer and musician. That's why.
Who is he?
Zubin Garg.
Zubin Garg.
Zubin Garg
So
of Assam.
he's reputed, and you have said so. But recently, his sad demise has shocked the entire country.
Yes.
What would you like to say about his death? Was it expected?
Yes, it was very much unexpected, but all over around the world was just so astonished by his death. And what to say, it is very much. How can I express it? Actually,
But within a few lines across the country, or you can say across the world, because even
Yes, sir. He's
even
a global
Google
artist, yes, sir.
they recommended his humming.
Yes.
He's the king of humming. So, what would you like to say to his, the numerous number of fans across the world?
He is just amazing. He is not just an amazing artist, but he is also as much as a humble person, and that's it. He is just. He is. If.
I think tears running down from your eyes while remembering Zubin Garg.
Yes, sir.
Your name, please?
Soradeep Dev,
Which standard you are?
class 9.
9. Yes, sir.
ये न्यूज कंटेंट देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। अगर आपका कोई सुझाव है तो हमें कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए AGT Live 24/7।
Thanks for watching AGT Live 24/7.